Dismount yung arch dito on pink. Care? Kung sino man nasa enclave.
I feel like taking B then zone Debbie. Okay?
They're looking to engage.
Just ready.
Wait lang. Papunta na tayong Levi.
Ano ba, Levi? Sige ba, Levi? Levi.
Levi kayo, Levi kayo.
Levy. They engage in the soldiers.
Ah, may laban na sa Levi. Okay.
Guys, punta na kayo dito.
Sige na, nandito na ako sa pink. Nakainipin ako.
Kidnapin nyo to, gago to.
Sabi mo pag mag-engage ka sa naman, doon ako hatak. They're engaging.
Hold on. May determine tayo. On the choke, 5, 4, 6, 1, on the choke.
Bobo nyo.
Defense. Ready side.
They're moving northeast. They're running northeast.
They're walking north, east side, northeast.
Muntik na rin ako dun.
I would rather trust si yung Greek kaysa i-trust ko yung ibang Greek na
They mounted up.
They're trying to
I can stop some of them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 na lang ako.
Pumasok.
Huli kayo? Huli kayo.
Meron.
Pumasok sa Ava Road. Ang lucky.
Babalik na ako.
Nandito sa ping tatlo.
Upper class, so patayin natin po. Upper class to, ah.
Oo, tapos na. Pahil na natin.
I will KS that.
All out war sa enclave.
Kailangan ko lang guys, makinig kayo. Wala akong pakinig kung sino nag-engage sa atin. Kailangan ko i-switch yung isang side kasi mawawipe tayo sa pagkatandit.
Nakuha mo pa.
Nakuha ko. Nice.
Uy, ano tong banner?
Tapos ganyang war, huwag nyo intindihin yung nag-engage kayo. Bomb now, sorry later.
Kakaskas yung sasabihin nyo na nandito yung ano. Yung gusto ko makinig lang kayo, gusto ko i-push yung isang side. Yun lang yun. Para ma-1v1 natin. Okay.
Iglaw.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na nandun yung rejects, no? Sinasabi ko na yung information, eh.
Yun nga, sabi mo nga nandito yung reject daw. Wala akong pake kung nandun yung reject daw. Sabi ko come southwest. Hindi
Ano ko, dep tank mo ko, binabantayin ko yung mga choke mo, eh. Ano ba trabaho ko?
Hindi yung nagpaiwan nga. Ang dami yung naiwan dito. Hindi lang ikaw mag-isa.
Hindi naman namin sinasadya na maiwan doon, eh. Nasa-stuck kami doon, eh.
Nag-GA sila kanina doon.
Nahuhold kami doon, eh.
Dati makaka-online ka ba dyan? Pero ayoko na muna mag-pod.
Ha? Ano ba nangyayari ngayon?
Ay, pucha!
Mamaya na lang yun.
Hindi, ano na nga nangyayari ngayon?
Papag-call ka ba, Sancher, o hindi? Ayun yung tanong niya.
Ha? Uy! Ano na mga to? Yung nagagalit sa akin, boss.
Nagtatanong ng isang tao lang, eh. Nagtatanong ng maayos yung tao, eh. Tinatanong mo, ibang tanong.
Come na twist. Cut road yan.
You're dismounted on the water bridge. Careful.
Huwag na kayo dyan sa water bridge, ha. Just scatter if you're late.
18, level 18.
Hindi yung cut road.
18.
Serkos, pabigay nga muna ng lead ng PL.
Oh, pala
Go to the ferry.
Hindi ko ma-mark si Arson.
Wala pa naman tayo.
Okay, Arson.
Nasa akin.
Bukas na yung pinto dito sa isa, so baka daanan nila.
Nag-back sila.
Oh, matras.
I think they're going back enclave.
They're going to enclave cutthroat.
Bumalik yata yung arch ulit.
Wala.
I'll check enclave, wait.
Yung
May second
rejects,
club
no?
ka ba, Zen?
Yung rejects, no, bumalik ng portal.
Sa diesel.
Yay!
Tama ba ako? May nakita akong blob na nag-southwest. Wala pa.
There's a big fight pa dito sa enclave. Checking.
Cutthroat. Kiniklear pa nila yung arch.
Bumalik Archie.
Nawipe ba yung legendary arch?
Tapos na. Cutthroat is moving northwest of, enclave.
Pandibi.
Wait,
Everyone follow the call.
no, they're going portal, I think. Oh, they stopped with Buke.
Bank muna.
They're gonna clear Buke.
Nasaan kayo? Ano nangyari sa allies? Like, defend ba?
Sumali ka na lang para malaman mo.
Chilling pa sa lobby.
Sasabi ka magmamas ka, sasali ka, hindi ka mas masali.
Gusto ko si Diesel kay Rip.
Salamat ba?
Nag-out ako, pabalik Levy. Kinahabol yung Buke eh. Nag-clear out lang sila eh. Wait, looking for the main body. They're headed towards the Terry in Enclave.
Pa-invite sa party 1.
Big Mom is still holding the Terry. Cutthroat is looking to smash it, I guess. They're looking for a side.
Asan kayo? Where are you at?
Levy.
Levy. Anong comp to?
Brawl.
Melee clap.
Sino kalaban natin ngayon? Anong stand ng kalaban? Anong stand ng kapte?
I think
Walang naps. Wala pa tayong naps as of the moment.
yeah, I think the fight is done. EJ is moving out, same with Cutthroat.
Sino na nanalo?
Ano ba? Sino ba may-ari nito?
Si WCD.
WCD.
GJ. Ay, Genji.
WCD, sila pa rin may-ari.
Hindi, I mean... Sila yung nasa gitna? Sila ba yung nasa?
Duke is here.
Was
Duke is here.
Don's is inside.
Duke is inside. Big Mom is inside.
Yeah, they're both inside. They're fighting. The one on your southwest is Cutthroat.
Dons na may hawak na ito.
Looking for EJ. I think they're still lingering around.
So, walang naglalaban dito sa Terry sa endgame na yun.
Meron. Cutthroat is now dismounted on the southwest of Terry.
Okay. Are they fighting?
They are trying to push inside the Terry.
Sino pa nag-declare? Big Mom.
Big Mom.
So, kailangan si Big Mom ang
A huge blob came out of portal just
Big
now.
Mom is here. Inside the Terry na.
Yeah, yan nga. Big Mom at saka yung ally nilang WCA something ang nasa loob.
Who's this big blob? This is a tier 4 blob.
Arch. The Purge. It's bad.
Fuck, na-dismount pa ako. And the winner.
Arutan! What?
Hey.
Zante will be calling us.
They run. GJ running now. That's why PC and Lift to drop their banner on their main map. Oh, we have to go Biret zone.
Where do we go? Okay, everybody come to the southeast. Everybody come to the southeast. Can you mark me, please?
Nasa yung
Isama tayo sila.
Hello? Hello again? Sorry. What is it?
fight na sarili mo.
We can try to kill open fight with Big Mom.
Okay, Big Mom. Okay. But I just came, Diesel, okay? This is not my comp.
Nakuha na nila yung Terry.
Big Mom got the tail. Let's come to the southeast, guys. Level 16. How many is enemies? What's the... I have only 6 DPS.
Sige, check nga sa
What's
good chance.
Dito yung control. City zoning mo.
What's this?
Cutthroat, this is Cutthroat.
Okay. Come northeast. Do we fight Cutthroat or what? What's the plan, Diesel?
We can.
Here comes
I don't
Southwest.
know. We checked those. We can fight in Paris.
You're gonna
Northwest.
cut off.
Okay. It's just hold southeast for now. Hold southeast for now, boys. This is too big, bro. What's this?
Arch
This is
and
Gen G as well.
1v1 is holding southwest of Portal, waiting to zone in.
Who?
Going to Levy.
This is easy 1v1 and Arch.
Easy one.
Cutthroat is coming to Levy. Terry not right now as you can see.
And
Yung.
Big Mom and Charcutos
Hindi-declare ata to sila sa atin.
zoning in.
Yeah, this is too big, man. These are all allies. They're all allies.
They're coming to you. South. They're coming to you. South road coming to you.
Okay, everybody prepare to zone. Everybody just prepare to zone.
I-declare ata to sa atin. Kaya nag-zone sila dito.
Diesel, where are you, Diesel?
I'll be nearby Terry. Leave it Terry. I'm not League actually.
They're coming south. They're coming south.
I guess they're gonna try. Banner on Terry.
Okay, everybody zone. No. Zone.
Dismounted, it is not.
I know, zone. Zone. Go northeast.
Cutthroat is
Yeah, just zone in. Zone in on contact.
Please
northeast.
tell me if
Zone
they
in.
dismounted in front.
Just zone in northeast.
Dismounted.
Yo, they're dismounted, huh? In the back. Careful. Just get the shield and then go there. Go northeast.
they're on the main road here.
What's happening here by RH? What's RH doing?
Don't rely on RTH. T7 lang sila.
Come to the west side, boys. Come to the west side.
Pero ang laki Ay, hindi.
Take in V, and then go west. Take in V and go west. In Strand. We're in Strand right now, High 3 Strand. From High 3 Strand, go southwest. We're gonna go Levy. Are they declaring on Levy? Or...
Cutthroat is going back to south, northwest, I think. Yeah, they're going back. So I think they're going Levy again. I'm following their blob.
Donutad to city, no?
Yes.
Yeah, going northwest. They're going Levy.
Guys, go directly southwest. How many is in Terry? What blobs is in Terry? Who's in Terry?
Cutthroat going to Levy na.
Okay, who's in Terry? What's in Terry? Like, what's happening there?
I don't know. I'm not in
Wala
there.
pa.
Did anybody drop a banner?
Not yet.
Hold southwest of Strand, ah. Hold southwest of Strand. What's happening there, Diesel? What's happening to
Big Mom are coming to Levy now.
You can just defending in Levy. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, TC and
Okay.
Liquid gonna launch on bay or shore.
Okay, sure.
Big Mom drop banner.
Okay, everybody, go directly to the Terry while you're in view.
Cutthroat is going to the banner, ah.
Okay. Guys, careful if you're not in view, just careful. Make your way to the Terry.
Prepared naman yung gate. We're good. First gate sila ulit.
Cutthroat is on this ping.
Diesel Cutthroat southwest, they might bomb you.
Cutthroat is on my ping. Main body.
Pinoy chicken dinner west side of the dairy. They're going.
Okay.
Pinoy chicken dinner not eat.
Cutthroat moving
Okay.
out.
Put the Pinosi, guys. Make your way here. What's happening?
Going sa'yo yung Cutthroat on this ping. Main body.
Southwest side
is
Cutthroat.
Still mounted. Some of them are going northeast of you.
Sino ulit kalaban?
All.
Who's enemy?
We got three alliance here.
Cutthroat, Big Mom, and who?
Pinoy chicken dinner.
Okay. Wait lang. I'll go to
They're clearing guards on the farm plot.
East side B-bomb.
Naglag ako, sorry.
Ikaw usap si Chariot.
Please, hold. Okay, hold. We're Milicom, right?
Milicom, yep.
Okay. Milicom, hold. Yo, property gauge, shallow, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Shallow southeast. Good job. Come back. Hold here on the ping. Okay, hold here. Tell me your cooldowns, boys.
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
7 gala yung
Level.
Okay, cool. Diesel, we need to hold, okay? I'm not sure if Aguila is coming, but I talked to them already, okay? Just hold. Okay, hold for now. Yo, perfect gauge, shallow, okay? Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Shallow southeast. Come back. No, they don't have bomb squad, right?
They don't.
Okay.
Pili lang yung gala lang.
Okay. We're holding here. Okay, hold. We need to full push one Zerg. I think we need to full push one Zerg, bro.
Can we full push na?
Okay, come southwest, guys. We need to full push this guy. We need to full push this southeast. Yo, come southeast now. Everything is shallow, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full push this guys. 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 Full push. Full push this guys. Full push this guys. Full push this guys. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Nice. We need to wipe this. We need to wipe this kick. We need to wipe this quick. Keep pushing. Run them over. I need ice northeast. I need ice northeast. I need ice northeast. I need ice northeast.
Walking.
South in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1.
Cutthroat is coming, ah. West side, Cutthroat west.
Edward, okay, keep pushing south. Run south. Keep pushing south. Southwest. Hello, boys. Southwest. No, southwest. Go on now. Come east. Follow the ground northeast. Follow the ground north. Yo, go back to the Terry. Cleanses, boys. Cleanses, please. Cleanses, boys. Cleanses. I know. Cleanses. Gigapass. Yo, I need heals on the front.
Get back in the Terry. Everyone get back in the Terry. Go inside the Terry for now. Go inside the Terry.
Regain come back.
Everyone stay in the Terry. Heals up front. Come on. Heals up front. Everybody go back to the Terry now.
Heal slightly.
Move back northwest. Go back to Big Mom side. Go back to Big Mom side. We're gonna engage on the Juggernaut. Everybody engage on the Juggernaut. Wait. Look now, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage now. Okay, go back,
wala kang mark yata.
go back. Hindi, Juggernaut naman to, guys. You can see the Juggernaut. What the heck?
Sorry.
Alright. Just keep holding there. If they break one
Diesel,
of this,
yung Diesel,
one of these walls,
Agila is coming. They have
right, everyone
they have
ready?
40 people, okay? They have 40 people.
Everybody
Just hold.
again, southeast, ready on the Juggernaut. Ready on the Juggernaut in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your east now. Defensive in front. Oh, that's my bad. Figure and then go back for now. Heels in front. Heels. Go back. Do not peek over the wall. Do not peek over the wall anymore. Only defensives in front. Come on. We need to make sure both sides are still good. Be ready to go back if we defensives in front. Again, you don't need to don't need to pick in front. What the fuck? What are you guys doing in front?
Yo, you need
Go,
to...
come here. Follow the Juggernaut.
Please po na ako.
Follow the Juggernaut. Come on. Guys, green guys, where are you fucking heading? Where is the Juggernaut? Can't you see the fucking BM?
Ano kaya ata BBS?
20% na yun sa baba.
1 DPS ka lang.
Ako na lang natira. Ako na lang.
How did you guys...
May anak kayong galing.
Headbutt.
Tatlo lang na, dalawa lang yun ah.
Hindi, tatlo.
Mamaya na si.
May anak kayo dyan. Ano muna, may fight kayo.
Second player first.
Wait lang ha. Diesel, they're coming, okay? Agila's coming. They're already in DK. Almost near. So just hold our ground. They're hostile, okay? They're using hostile.
Crystal broken already.
23%.
Crystal broken already.
Thirst water gali is Agila now. Thirst water gali.
19%. 90% on the wall. 19% on the wall.
Yo, everybody, please.
14.
Come na to.
Go back, second gate first.
11.
Kami side dito.
Malapit na masira yung ano
9.
Okay, skill go lang. Back na kayo kung hindi kayo deft up.
5%. 3.
Mga titang group na masyado.
Guys, I need regear and come back, please. Allies is coming.
Okay, 1%. They're coming in.
Dancer pa mic sa akin.
Bukas na yung hard east.
Okay, I'll give you party lead, ano. Malapit na ako.
Titang ka magwalang.
Northeast is already broken.
Yeah, just stay here.
Huh?
Stay here. Never mind.
Someone breaking knock.
Someone breaking. Meow.
They're still breaking the walls here.
Sarchu sa taas, Sarchu.
Open na yung open na yung northeast, open na yung southeast ng southeast.
They're looking. Defensives in the hills in front.
Regear and come back, DPS, please.
Two bomb squad from
Cutthroat.
Guys, wala namang sinabing yung mga defense na nasa harap. Ba't kayo nasa harap? Pabayaan nyo na mag-bomb. Nagkantay tayo ng alay. Ba't kayo nasa harap?
Diesel, just hold, okay? Diesel.
Patay ka, City. Kidnap ka.
Go city.
Music.
Soldier.
We're holding, everybody, look at the crown, okay? Look at the crown. We're holding here, okay?
Tanggal ka ng hindi mo, di ka namin nakikita.
Okay. Ayan, nakita nyo na ako. Just hold. Diesel, just hold, okay? We just need to hold, bro. Like, literally, just try to prepare. Yo, heal Nikolai. Heal Nikolai here in the crowd. Help this guy. Okay. They're, Diesel, they're using red names, okay? They went hostile so that we can see them better, okay?
I can engage you. Dami nito pamuntol.
We will let them focus cutthroat, and then we will focus on taunts, okay? We will focus on taunts. Yo, come northeast, guys. Come to the ground, come to the ground, come to the ground. Come to the ground, come to the ground, come to the ground.
Wala pa.
Come to the ground, come to the ground, come to the ground north, come to the ground north, come to the ground north, come to the ground north. Yo, everything is shallow, east side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east, shallow east, shallow east, shallow east, shallow east, shallow east, shallow east. Nakikam, baka. Defense report. Help our guys on the front. Okay, that's allies southeast, okay? That's allies southeast. Yo, Diesel, we're gonna full push, okay? Yo, hold on. Yo, Aguila is in the back, okay? We need to full push this. Don't help GJ, okay? Go, push. Hold. Open. I know. Come northeast now. Don't go push. Cancel. Go back northwest for now. Go back, spread. Defense report. Gigabutt and full push. Gigabutt and full in. Full push. Go in. Gigabutt. Push. Hold your east. Just go in. We're putting everything inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside now, boys. Everything inside. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yo, keep pushing. Yo, we're breathing it in 10 seconds, boys. Keep pushing. In 5 seconds, boys. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Everything southeast, boys. Nagkatala kayo ng alto. Puta kayo nyo. Nakaling ko agil dito. Yo, keep pushing. Run them over. We're gonna help them. We're gonna help Aguila now. Yo, come southwest. Come southwest. Keep pushing. Run them over. This dog. Yo, keep pushing. Where they? Where? Nasaan na sila? I didn't info. Yo. West. Okay, come west. Yo, come north. Go inside. Keep pushing northwest.
Dismounted.
Okay, come west. Come east. Diesel, look at me. Go inside. Just go inside. Go inside, boys. Go inside. Look for the crown, okay? Look for the crown, boys. Look for the crown. Look northwest now. Look north. Everything is deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north, boys. Everything north. Yo, spread. They're looking. Just spread. Yo, come south now. Keep pushing into them. Fiercely. Trust me. Keep pushing into them. Yo, look at the crowd. 8 seconds, boys. 8 seconds. Guys, help me southeast. Come back. Come northwest. We're getting northwest now. Yo, defense report. Yo, come back to the dairy. Healer guys on the front. Oh,
Nakastabilis ang Big Mom, by the way. They're coming. Truthful pushing southeast side.
CCT na healer mo.
Okay. We're holding for now.
Nasa dark.
Okay. Yo, Aguila is coming back. Defense report. Yo, we're taking it. Counter southeast in 5, southeast in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Everything east side. Everything. Okay, come back. Clans on the front. Demon armors on the front. Trust me, demon armors on the front. Okay, come back. Go to the Terry mage. Yo, Diesel, we need to full push northwest. Awa is here. We need to full push this Diesel. Okay. okay. Come north, guys. Come north.
Pushing there.
Defensive now. Defensive for now. Yo, I need help here. Yeah. Nah. Get out. Get out.
Sige.
Get out, boys. Get out.
Get out. Save mo na yan.
Importante may matindi kang sigaw.
Hakcho.
Gago, ipit.
Buhaya na dugo ko. Puta.
Yo, rigger nga, guys. Rigger.
Gagi, na-wipe yung Agila?
Oo, na-wipe sila ng cutthroat na full push.
Yan lang.
Same numbers eh. Kaya pina-full push ko yung
Ewa. Ang dabay lalamunan mo.
Punas mo na lang nakita mo.
Okay.
Natamaan din ako eh.
May wisik nga sa akin eh.
Mamatay na to mga to. Aray.
Kung kaya, ay hindi, mahirap na to.
Uy, nag-away sila oh. Big Mom.
Buhatin.
Mage yan, hindi yan Hindi
Ay.
yan friendly. Mage yung nag-hit sa kanila.
Paluin natin to.
Execute nyo guys.
Gusto niyo ba?
Wait lang ha. Algo to.
Tatakoti ka lang.
Ligis ka ba?
Sige rin kampak ba?
Hindi na yata.
Wait na. Nagpag-get out na yun.
Hindi, pupunta daw siya Agila kung sino.
Mage dead. Mage dead.
Shit.
Mage na.
We can defend this tomorrow, don't worry.
Huwag na,
Get out, everyone, get out.
Dimas.
Box talaga lang nakatara.
Wait, look at step.